Anyone in teaching can tell you that education is more than textbooks or exams. Schools are a place where children and young people learn social and emotional skills and train their minds to approach different challenges. Teaching these skills is vital in setting students up for academic and career success, protecting their mental health and preparing them to play an active role in society. For children and young people in the UK, this has been the first extended closure of schools in recent history, and as such, its impact on their mental health and well-being is important to consider. And the fact that school is often the first place that pupils can and do seek support for their mental health and well-being. Schools have mentioned the after effects of COVID, such as pupils feeling very negative, disillusioned, unmotivated and disengaged. The Hemorrhage Goal Foundation created a bespoke personal development program for schools, which provide head teachers and senior leaders with evidence towards the Ofsted criterion for leadership and management, behaviour and attitude, personal development and sixth form. More importantly, the workshops are designed to empower young people through personal development and access to crucial life skills training. We have already helped hundreds of children around the country. The workshops are led by experienced speakers that are highly engaging. Jermaine Harris leads the Happiness Workshop, which helps pupils develop healthy behaviours and gives them practical tools to build self-confidence and resilience. The workshops include hours of inspiration from many speakers, including Avnish Goel on life skills and entrepreneurship, Tosin Oganusi on empowerment, and inspirational speakers like Leah, who is the first British Asian woman to swim the English Channel. The empowering workshops can also include amazing activities like board breaking. We continue the workshop by talking about how powerful the mind is, and a clear example is shown to the students when our incredible speaker Jermaine walks barefoot on glass. Another one of our workshops is held by Harry Singer about finding your voice. This workshop has not only helped over 1 million young people around the world to help themselves, but also to support their friends and loved ones to do so too. The students leave with practical tips they can start using the very same day.
So we attended the workshop yesterday, and as a member of the staff I felt it was quite positive. It helped me change my mindset, because breeding positivity helps bring positivity into the children's lives. So we're in the classroom. I think if we apply that change of mindset to ourselves as teachers, it might uplift the children, help them with their education, but also their personal development, which is a key thing that we learned from yesterday.
It was very interactive and everyone was involved.
From a leader's perspective, actually personal development is one of the key criteria for an Ofsted inspection. So when you look at these workshops that Hemorrhage Goal Foundation are putting on, they actually tick a lot of those boxes.
Not only do the students find our workshops beneficial, so do all the teachers and supporting staff. The sessions with the teachers are having a ripple effect on the students. The Hemorrhage Goal Foundation are offering all these workshops completely free of charge. To find out more information about the workshops and the Hemorrhage Goal Foundation, contact info@hgf.org.uk.